Well, good day, everybody. Let's jump in and talk about soybeans. Not good, 2 words. Could there be some repositioning? Yeah, there's going to be some of repositioning going into a report as big as this one is. We're at these markets have rallied so high that you're going to see these combines rolling. Just how many corn acres we get, just how many bean acres we get, remains to be seen tomorrow. But that's what we're all going to be waiting for tomorrow. So I think that there's going to be some repositioning. We had soybeans off, say, almost 2% today, 1.85%, 25 some odd cents. That smells like repositioning to me, taking some things off the table, and why not, right? Now, as it happens, we're equidistant roughly. We're a little lower than halfway, obviously, after the market made its move today. But we're still kind of in between those possible prices, the prices that we've seen so far for 2021, not including today's move. So now we've kind of dipped below it. But still, that shows us that this market is now struggling for direction so far this year, I think. That's interesting, and maybe that's what we're going to get out of this acreage report. I think we should. So keep in mind, we're roughly in the middle of the prices that we've traded so far this year, going into this big report, and that will most likely set the tone going forward for this spring and summer. And then lastly, the dollar still is going to be an issue here. I've been talking about it a lot lately. I'll continue to talk about it, but it's got some inflationary aspects and the likes. But as I looked at things yesterday, last night, and then this morning, a lot of things were lower. A lot of them were in the red, and I think that's the only one that wasn't really in the red was green, and it was the dollar. The dollar could be the thing that kind of caps things going forward. So keep an eye on that. I think, although it's been, say, relatively weak, the 52-year range is 89 to 101-ish, and we're at 93 and change this morning, so we're very close to the lower end of that band, but that doesn't mean it's not starting to, say, strengthen, and maybe not at the right time. So we'll kind of keep an eye on that. We've got the report tomorrow. I'll be back to you once before the end of the week. We'll see what we get from the government tomorrow.